Deposits of small finance banks grew at a CAGR of 32% during FY20 and FY23 as compared to a CAGR of just 11% for the banking sector, led by a small finance bank's strong focus on building a liability franchise and higher interest rates. India is set to become a superpower in the years to come, and the financial sector will be the backbone of this growth, with small finance banks playing a pivotal role. Hello everyone and welcome to my Get Rich With Me series. This is part 5 and आज का हमारा multi-bagger stock है Ujjivan Small Finance. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, a new entrant in the banking space, being in business only since 2017, has already made a name for itself. The bank serves 82 lakh customers and has over 750 branches across the country. The company has a solid loan book with strong asset quality and a good deposit mix. The company saw a significant rise in digital transactions from 3.5 crores to 6 crores over the last 1 year. The company has delivered good profit growth with a CAGR of 176% over the last 5 years. The company is planning to hit the big leagues and is strategically expanding its presence into major urban centers to capitalize on low-cost CASA deposits. The bank is enhancing its service offerings with a particular emphasis on expanding its mutual fund and gold loan portfolio. Additionally, the bank is exploring avenues to augment the proportion of secured loans within its overall lending portfolio, which currently stands at 28%. Also, recently, the bank got 2 awards at the BT KPMG Banking Survey, being awarded the Best Indian Bank in Innovation and the Best Small Finance Bank based on quantitative analysis. The company is trading at a PE of roughly 9 as compared to an industry average of roughly 21 and looks like a multi-bagger for the years to come. And don't forget to follow me to keep watching Get Rich With Me on Financial Fridays. And follow for more.